Often with maintenance for your Contex scanner, people ask, what exactly is the most important thing to do? And cleaning the glass is probably the number one most important thing that you can do with a Contex scanner. So often dirt rubs off on your document, it gets onto the glass plate, and it leaves a line of some sort, a streak. It could be a colored streak, it could be a light streak, but often it's as simple as just stopping your scan, opening the scanner lid, and cleaning off the glass. I highly recommend to use the lint-free cleaning cloth that we provide with the scanner. And as a kind of rule of thumb, it's best to just take one swipe from right to left at the very end, which will drag all the dust and particles that might be in the air, the lint, and completely remove it from the surface. Close the lid, scan again. If the line is gone, then you're finished. In situations where you have a light line, it's a colorless streak. It's a streak that doesn't have any colors whatsoever. In those situations, it could have been a problem where you had a dirty glass plate during the last calibration. The calibration is really intelligent, and it will take that dirt and put it into the calibration. And then if you remove it at a later date, it leaves a colorless light line through your image. In those situations, it's best to re-clean the glass again, recolor calibrate the scanner, and you should be good to go. Those are probably the most simple things to do, and it will give you the best productivity in a very quick manner.